Hi guys, my name is Chavi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a Meesho haul. So primarily I have like suit sets because of the wedding season, and then I have a couple of sweatshirts, some accessories. So if you're interested, without further ado, let's get started. Alright you all, first up I'll start with the most simple suit set that I have. It is this kurta, and I got the same one in off-white as well. Here you can see the try-on part. I absolutely love the quality. It's so good. Also, all of these are super affordable. I'll mention the prices on the screen and the links will be there in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And yeah, first up is this one. I am in love. If you go to college, if you go to office, this is a perfect pick. Now this time I'm not gonna save the best for the last, because this is an absolute beauty. Like, do you see? It's a very beautiful white sharara set. This is what the kurti looks like. The detailing here is so beautiful. This is what the sleeve looks like, and this is the neckline. It's stunning. The sharara is immaculate. Like, this is what it looks like. It has so much घेर. अब नीचे देखो इसके अंदर कितना बड़ा बॉर्डर दे रखा है, और यहाँ पे you can see like it is so flowy. I absolutely love it. Also the length is perfect. And this is the dupatta. You all can see in the try on part as well. It looks so good. You can easily wear it to a wedding. Like, I won't lie, I would wear it to a wedding. Next up, I have a very smart piece. Now this is what I'm talking about. It's a very beautiful yellow kurta set, and then look at these sleeves. This translucent detailing right here is so beautiful. This is what the kurta looks like. ये थोड़ा ना पाकिस्तानी style में है इसकी sleeves वगैरह, और नीचे भी you can see the border is so stunning. For the bottoms we have these plazo pant, और इसमें ऐसी ये लेस दी गई है जो बहुत ज्यादा सुंदर है. And it has this net दुपट्टा जिसके ऊपर again ये वाली एम्ब्रॉयडरी हो रखी है. ये बहुत ज्यादा सॉफ्ट है. It's not stiff at all. Okay, next up is this suit set right here. It is this very beautiful purple color. Now this is very trending and this looks beautiful on literally everybody. And this is what the neckline looks like. We have these 3/4 sleeves. Then for the pants we have these plazo pants with this detailing at the bottom. But the dupatta is so beautiful. Can you see that? It's stunning. It just elevates the outfit so much. Next up are these two kurtas. Now I won't lie, I thought that इसके साथ pants भी आएंगी, but ये सिर्फ कुर्ता और दुपट्टा साथ में आया है. इसकी fitting भी is not that great, so I would not actually recommend it. Like, for a medium, this is too big, and इसमें आगे डोरी दे रखी है. Doesn't make sense at all. इसकी fitting is very off. I don't like it at all. And then this is the dupatta. Similarly we have this one right here. Now for a medium size, can you see it's too big? Like, I did not even wear it, so you won't see a try on as well. So this is something I would ask you to avoid for sure. I think the main concept of buying a suit set is that you don't have to look कि उसको आप किसके साथ पेयर करोगे, राइट? इसका दुपट्टा है और कुर्ता भी है, तो साथ में पैंट भी दे देते तो क्या ही फर्क पड़ जाता. बट या, आई वुड नॉट recommend this at all. Sweatshirt. Now this is what it looks like. You can see in the try on it looks stunning, and इसके ऊपर लिखा है overthinking. The material is also really good for the price, and on me it looks amazing, so I'm damn sure that it's gonna look good on you as well. So this I think I got in size large. I got this hoodie right here. ये बिल्कुल ही plain क्रॉप्ड हुडी है. नाउ ये ना, इसका जो गला है ये इतना ज्यादा छोटा है कि इसमें तो मेरा सर आया ही नहीं, सो आई कुड नॉट फिल्म अ ट्राई ऑन. इसका कपड़ा भी इज समथिंग यू कैन वेयर राइट नाउ. मतलब नवंबर या फिर दिसंबर स्टार्ट तक आप इसको पहन सकते हो, उससे ज्यादा ठंड में नहीं, बिकॉज दिस इज क्वाइट पतला फॉर अ हुडी. दिस इज द वन आई वॉज रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर. ये ऐसे फेक गजरे वाली रबर बैंड है. This is what it looks like. They look stunning on my hair. They also have a good fragrance to it, but वो तो खैर obviously चली जाएगी, या फिर आप अपना परफ्यूम वगैरह छिड़क लो. But yeah, ये ना shoots में भी बहुत काम आएगा, या फिर even like you can wear it ऐसे ही अगर functions वगैरह में जा रहे हो, आपको गजरा लगाना है, मिल नहीं रहा है, तो this is a good pick. And lastly, I have this headband right here. Do you see? It looks really pretty. इसके rhinestones बहुत beautiful है. It won't irritate your skin, या फिर आपके कहीं भी ये अटकेगा नहीं. But ये भी अगर ये यहाँ तक ले आती ना, मतलब देखो, I'll show you what I'm saying. अब ऐसे it looks pretty. आप ऐसे देखोगे, I mean I look like a joke, but अभी इसको छोड़ो. ये ठीक है, यहाँ तक आ गया. ये अगर यहाँ तक होते ना rhinestones, तो ये ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल लगता है, बिकॉज यहाँ से ऐसे बाल स्ट्रेट हो जाएंगे तो ये ऐसे खाली एरिया will not look good at all. So अगर ये थोड़ा सा और लंबा यहाँ तक studded होता ना, it would have worked pretty well. So this I'm gonna return. These are my recommendations. Go shop now if you want to, if you need these things, and I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Until then, goodbye.